Hey, what's up? So in this video we will discuss about abstraction or abstract class. We will see that what is abstraction, why do we use abstraction, and how we can use abstraction or abstract class. So just watch this video till the end to get a clear view on it. Now let's start the video, but before that if you're new here then please don't forget to subscribe. And now चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Now, what is abstraction? So guys, a data abstraction is a process of hiding certain details and showing only essential information to the user. Abstraction can be achieved with either abstract class or interface. And in this video, we will cover the example for abstract class, and in the next video, we will see that how we can achieve abstraction using interface. Now, why to use abstract class? So guys, we use abstract class for the purpose of achieving security as we hide certain details and only show the important details. Here are a few pointers to note down, and the number one is since abstract class is a restricted class, it cannot be used to create objects. And to access abstract class, we must use the concept of inheritance where one class inherits the properties of another class. Also, remember that abstract class can have normal methods and it can also have abstract method. So now let's go ahead and see the programming example. We will see that how do we create abstract class, and we will see the features of the abstract class. So guys, here we have this programming example, and in this example you can see we have this class. The class name is animal and it is an abstract class. Also, this animal abstract class has two methods. The first is animal sound and the second is sleep method. And as we already discussed that an abstract class can have an abstract method or a simple or a regular method. So here we have these two methods, and this regular method, which is the sleep method, it is printing zzz. So when we go in the main method and we try to call this just by creating the object of this animal class, and we try to call these methods which is sleep and animal sound, so we'll not be able to do that because as we studied that abstract class, which means this animal class, cannot be used to create objects. So here we're going to use the concept of inheritance where we studied that one class inherits the properties of another class. So here what we are doing is we are creating a class. The class name is pig, and we are saying pig class extends animal, which means now this pig class has all the methods and properties of the animal class, which means this animal class has the properties of animal sound and sleep. And now the moment the pig class says pig extends animal, now this pig class also had these two methods. So now we can just go ahead and we can create the object for this particular pig class, and I believe you know how to create it. Just writing the name of the particular class, writing an object name equals to new keyword and the name of the class, and then brackets and semicolon. And then we can just writing the name of the object which we created for the particular class, the pig class, and we can use the dot operator and we can call the particular method. So here in this pig class we also have a method that is animal sound, and this is printing the pig says vv. So when we go ahead and we use the object name for the pig class, that is my pig dot, we can just call these two methods. We can call the animal sound method and the sleep method. So this is how you create the abstract class, just writing the abstract and then class and the name of the particular class. And to access those methods which you created for the class, you have to extend that class because abstract class cannot be used to create objects. So this is why we create another class named pig, and using this pig class we create the object and we call these both methods. So that's all for this video. I hope it was helpful and you understood the concept of abstraction. If you have any comments, please write down below. That's all for this. Thank you so much for watching guys. Catch you in the next one. Bye bye.